and welcome if you're new here. My name is Molly Kate. I'm a 24-year-old fashion designer living in Dallas, Texas. And today I'm going to be showing you the designer items that I got for Christmas. Disclaimer, this is not a typical Christmas for us. This year, my husband really just wanted to celebrate all of our career wins this year, living in a new city, and he was like, you know what, you're a fashion designer and you don't have a lot of designer items. We have to fix that. He was just dead set on giving me a designer Christmas, which is honestly so sweet and I'm so grateful. I don't want this video to come off like I'm ungrateful. Really the purpose here is to show you guys these items because if it's something that you're interested in, it's a pretty big purchase. So it's nice to watch other people unbox them first and really just make sure it's an item you actually want. With the disclaimer aside, let's just hop into the video. The first item that I'm unboxing for you are the Prada 51 sunglasses. This item here is something that I've been eyeing for over a year now and I'm so excited that I finally have. So here it is, let's unbox it together. It comes in this nice white canvas box. It says Prada there, and then we open. This is the case it comes in. I actually think this case is kind of too big if you want to put it in like a small handbag. So I might need to get a smaller case. You can see it says Prada there on the dust bag as well. And then opening them, here they are. So these do have the triangle side, which is what I liked about these and why I wanted these. I just thought that they were so unique. And then the frame itself is pretty large. You can see it's a slight cat eye. These aren't as big as the other model they have. They do have a slimmer style as well, but I wanted kind of a dramatic effect, you know? So really happy with the size of these, and then I'll try them on for you. So trying them on. I'm so happy with them. Like, are you kidding me? So fun. I've never owned a pair of designer sunglasses before. I actually literally only used the pair of sunglasses that I've had since high school when I was like 16 years old, and I've kept really good care of them. So I'm like, you know what? That being said, I think I deserve an upgrade. The ones that I have actually from high school are low-key similar to this, so I already knew that I kind of liked this style, but you know, we're in post-grad life now. I'm working full-time as a fashion designer. Needed my fashion designer shades. All right, next item. Okay, this next item, I literally screamed when I opened because I was not expecting this, and I have been wanting this from Burberry. You can probably guess what it is, for years, literally years, and my husband knows that, and so he found this item actually secondhand, which I think is nice. I think especially as people who are new to designer items, we're just kind of getting into this space. I think there's nothing wrong with getting secondhand items as well. The sunglasses were original. This here is from a secondhand shop. I think both are great. I also think it's great sustainability-wise to do that when possible, so love that. Honestly, just as soon as I opened this bag and saw that it said Burberry, like what? Okay, so you can probably guess because you know what Burberry is known for, but it is a cashmere scarf. It's in its classic plaid design, and the color here isn't their most popular tan color, but instead it's this really pretty cream color, which I actually like more. And I think that this is so cool because with such a popular scarf that so many people have, just updating the colorway is really a nice way to have a unique take on such a popular item. So people will recognize this as Burberry, but it won't be what everyone's wearing. It'll be a little different, which I think is nice. So here are the details up close. Here you can see the tag. This is Burberry, made in Scotland, 100% cashmere. So this is something that I would want to get dry cleaned, and definitely do not put this in the washing machine. I don't know the exact length on this, but it's really not that long at all, which I think is perfect. So there are styles that are like super long, but this is just like a nice kind of not, it won't be super tight, but it'll have a nice little drape to it. And I should probably figure out which way I want to tie this. I mean, I feel like there's so many cute ways. I'm obsessed with it. If this is an item that you've been thinking of buying, if it's something that you've been eyeing, I hope this video helps you in some way so that you can kind of see what it looks like and get a better picture of it, you know, before you purchase. So let's about the length. I don't know how I'm gonna tie it yet, but honestly, with like a winter coat and just having this like peek through, it's so good. But the next designer item I'm going to talk about is actually one that I had to return because of a sizing issue, but I'm gonna talk about it anyways. And that is the Christian Louboutin So Kates in the color black. And these are something I've been eyeing literally for years. But unfortunately, the issue with the So Kate is that it's 120 millimeter heel height. So basically that means it's really freaking tall. And since your foot is at such an angle, not only are they really hard to walk in, but it's really hard to figure out the correct size. So even though I'm a 38 in other European shoe brands, for this specific brand and shoe, 38 wasn't cutting it. Not a Cinderella slipper moment, y'all. Okay, so had to return them, and I'm currently trying to decide if I should just size up in the So Kates or if I should actually get the Piguet Folies, because these are only 100 millimeter. I think they are a lot more comfortable and I think I'll wear them more. So chances are we'll switch them out for those. But if anyone has had this kind of situation before or knows more about red bottoms, I do not, please comment down below. I don't know a lot about shoe sizing here in this situation, so if you do, leave me a comment, much appreciated. And now we're gonna go to the next one. Okay, so to end the video, I'm going to show you guys all of the Michael Kors items that I opened in my stocking. And Michael Kors has been, I was going to say my favorite designer, but it's more of a love-hate relationship, because when I was 9 years old watching Project Runway with my mom, she told me that the man on the screen had MK like patented for his fashion line, and I cried. I was like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding? That's mine. And I was devastated. I was so upset. But now I always get MK because it's my initials, so it's really fun to, you know, have items that have my initials. Okay, so the first Michael Kors item here is this wallet wristlet, and I really, really like the size of this and how small it is, because if I have a smaller bag, I definitely don't want like a larger wallet to go inside. So this is a really good size, and it matches the print of the Michael Kors purse that I currently have. Love this, we'll get a lot of use out of this. This next item matches the last one, and it's this AirPod case holder. It has the little MK here, it's pink and holds both the AirPod or AirPod Pros, which is really, really nice. Next we have this passport holder. You could also use this as a wallet, but I plan on using it as a passport cover. It has this little rose gold striping on it, which I really like. And I, again, just like how this matches everything else. Next item will be used for work, and it's this pencil case that's a really, really good size. I can fit all of my, you know, work pencils in here, and everyone already calls me MK at work, so it's kind of a running joke that I always have Michael Kors stuff. And the last item here is another item that I'll use at work, and it's this notebook. It's actually a removable notebook on the inside, so you can replace it, more of a notebook cover than a notebook itself. And I'm really excited about how this will match the pencil case. Thank you all so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe button. I'm a new YouTuber here on the platform, so it means a whole lot to me. And comment down below what item you liked the most. And if you enjoyed this video, there's more to come, so stay tuned, and until next time, bye guys.